Okay, so I am on the Adcombo's main website. So if you just scroll down, awesome. So Adcombo is known as one of the best networks for COD affiliate offers. So we can see here we've got exclusive offers with high payouts that are not presented in other affiliate networks on a unique business model. So this essentially means that they have some exclusive rights to certain offers, and if you want to run those offers elsewhere, you may not necessarily find those other offers on other affiliate networks. They also have localized funnels, so landings and pre-sales pages in more than 40 languages, built-in interface for translation orders, native speakers from 44 countries available 24/7. So a big benefit of that is that if you're running into tier 2, tier 3 geos, you're most likely going to need to get multiple landers translated, and essentially Adcombo have that within inside their platform, which is quite handy because you can get these landers and your pre-landers translated fairly quickly. Okay, so weekly payouts, that's fairly standard, I'd say. Let's have a look. What's the deal? With Adcombo, you are already an affiliate hero. Choose your role in our superstar squad. Okay. I have a product, I run traffic, I'm a rock star. Cheater, I'm a frauder. Okay, it's a bit strange. But anyway, let's have a look. Alright, so this is their team. You've got CEO Thor. Okay. Bit of cartoon action going on. Not bad. Alright, now let's get to some important stuff. So let's scroll back up. Let's look at some of these types of offers that Adcombo typically have within their network. Let's have a look here. Alright, so we have e-commerce, so health products, male enhancement, health and beauty, diet and weight loss, accessories, home improvement. So as we will primarily be running COD traffic, primarily going to be e-commerce that we focus towards, but it also have some lead gen type offers for business opportunities, virtual gaming club, entertainment, and they also have mobile content such as wallpapers. Okay, so they also have all these different geos. From just looking at a glance, it's primarily just tier 2 geos that I can see, which is ideal for COD. Offers by revenue model, so it's split between COD, CPS, which is cost per sale, and pin submit offers. Pretty awesome. Alright, so now let's look at the publisher page. So if you're interested in signing up, I'll show you what you need to do. Set the load up. Cool. So publisher, we aim at assisting you to achieve more in affiliate marketing. Join us to maximize your revenue by promoting exclusive offers on a perfect model of conversion. Alright, cool. So let's just get the party started, I guess. So you sign up as a publisher. Before I do so, just make sure a publisher for an affiliate network is the affiliates that are going to actually be sending traffic through. So you're the ones that are promoting the offers. So if you're in an affiliate network and you see publisher or advertiser, make sure you go for a publisher, because as an affiliate, you're a publisher. Alright, so the 3-step activation, once you've done the application form, you then need to confirm your email address, wait for your personal manager, aka potentially your affiliate manager, to get in touch with you, and at that point they'll then ask you a few questions regarding your experience and what you've kind of done so far in affiliate marketing, most likely asking you what sort of revenues you've kind of got to and what sort of revenues you typically achieve, and also what types of traffic do you send and what types of traffic sources are you utilizing, because these are all important elements to see if you are a good fit with the affiliate network. Right? So if you select sign up as publisher, just enter your email, password, create a username, create a Skype. Make sure you have a Skype account, guys. I can't stress this enough. With affiliate marketing, I'd say 99% of business goes down on Skype. We all have Skype accounts. Majority of my business every day is done on Skype. I have Skype open 24/7 on my laptop, on my mobile phone. It's just very important that you have that, because that's the easiest way for you to conduct your business, especially when it comes to liaising with other affiliates or liaising with affiliate managers at various different networks. So make sure you have a Skype account. If you don't have one, go make one. It's very easy to do. Take you around 2 minutes max. So make sure you get that sorted. Once you've kind of added your Skype, you can then enter in your experience. So like just talk about sort of offers that you've run, talk about different your typical revenues that you're generating per month, how much traffic you typically send, what traffic sources you utilize, so if it's Facebook, if it's push traffic. These are all the bits of information that demonstrate your skill set and demonstrate why you should be accepted into the network, and it provides them with confidence that they're not just going to be accepting anybody who's going to be sending potentially fraudulent traffic, which can mess up their relationship with their advertisers who they've built business relationships with. So all this part is very, very important, so make sure you take a bit of time to get that done. But once you've done that, and let's say you've been accepted, let's have a look at the inside of Adcombo. So this is the dashboard for Adcombo. You can see here, clicks per week, your conversions per week, your revenue per week, and your revenue in year to date. And this will all kind of give you a general overview as soon as you're logged into the dashboard, which is very handy. And there's also some form of loyalty scheme as well, which you can see where you're rewarded for your longevity with the affiliate network, which is not bad. There's a news area here. So if you don't know much about Adcombo, they're one of the best networks when it comes to producing content around affiliate marketing. They have real case studies from their affiliates. In fact, their affiliates get paid, I think, $100 to produce content for Adcombo, essentially where they get paid to kind of show or give some insight into how they kind of generate revenue for a particular campaign, which shows you that people are making money with Adcombo, and it kind of gives you an idea of how people are kind of building their revenues with the different offers within Adcombo as well. So they're pretty good for generating content and providing you that inspiration. So have a look here. So if I go to my campaigns, I can create a new campaign, select the offer, select the geo, and then I can apply. And pretty straightforward. And in terms of the offers here, so what I really love about using Adcombo is that they have an awesome filtering system when it comes to the offers section. So as you can see here, we can obviously select by country, select by category, so I'll go for e-commerce. You can select by vertical, so let's say health products, and you can also select by your flow. We're going for COD flow, of course, so cash on delivery. So I select that, and I'm just going to leave the others out for now. If I just select apply, and then I can see loads of different offers that are available, okay? And not only that, we also get the ability to potentially receive a sample for a particular product, which is really useful if you are kind of generating your own images, or you're using, like maybe you've got an Instagram page set up or something, try and promote the offer. You can kind of like get the sample, start taking photos, share that with people you want to take photos of, and that kind of builds some social proof for a particular type of campaign, which is very useful. So if we kind of select one kind of random product, so I'm going to go for this one, Detoxic, which is in Romania. So I select that product. As you can see here, we can see the product. We've got our tracking URL here. We've got our URL builder over here. We've got some different landing pages that we can download, which is pretty awesome. We've got pre-landers that we can download on the right-hand side. Postback pixels that can be added if needed. Most likely you probably set up a global postback, so you don't have to do this for every single offer, which is the best way of doing things. We've got the iframe, widgets, and obviously the sample. So here you can enter your name, your phone, and your address, and you can request a sample to be delivered to you, or you can use it as I previously mentioned in that same way. So we also have the statistics area. So if you kind of have live campaigns running and you just want to get like some stats within the Adcombo dashboard, you can do that. Obviously you'll still have your tracker as well, but this kind of gives you some good insights within the network. So when you're logged in, it's a good way to kind of look at some of the offer specific the affiliate network specific things that you're doing. So I'm assuming you may have a few networks that you're working with, but if you just want to focus purely on Adcombo, just log in here and you can kind of like look at all these different variables, so like your pre-landings, landings, and you can essentially see which ones are bringing you the conversions, which ones are bringing you that revenue. So they have quite a neat platform. It's quite user friendly, I'd say. I've seen some sites and some networks where I've logged in and I feel like I've gone back maybe 15 years. Just because the site is very outdated, things just don't work. So this one is quite a refreshing site to be with, quite a refreshing network. They're quite up to date. Looks good so far. Obviously they have the post-backed area, domains, and then this is the crucial part, which I find very useful, which is the translations area. So if you're kind of working in a geo that is not your native language, your native tongue, you will need to get that lander sort of translated by professionals, and Adcombo offer that within their affiliate network. So as you can see, up to 1,000 words, it'll take up to a day, basically up to 2,000 words, at least 2 days, up to 3,000 words, at least 3 days, and 3,000 words or more, it will take at least 4 days to get that sorted. And they have some other sort of terms and conditions for their translations, which you can kind of go through. But one of the most important things is that if you are looking to translate from one non-English speaking country to another non-English speaking country, you need to first of all translate it to English, then you translate it to another country. You can't do non-English to non-English. It has to be English to non-English, if that makes sense. So a good example would be if you had a German lander or something, and you wanted to translate that to Serbian, you would need to translate the German to English and the English to Serbian, and that's the kind of flow that is required for you to kind of get your landers translated. So we have this tickets area, and this area essentially is if you have any sort of support queries that you might have, add a ticket and their support team will kind of be in touch with you fairly quickly, typically within the next sort of 24 hours. We have like a payouts area here. So this is where, whoops, just gone crazy for a moment. All right, so this is where you can see all your invoices in the network, all your different payments. So if you need to kind of get your invoices in a neat area, you go here, download them, and you can share them with your accountant or whoever's managing your finances for your business. We also have the bonus area here. So this is pretty cool. So if you want to get some perks for just being part of the network, just click on the bonus area and you can see all the different offers that you have access to based on sort of partners that work with Adcombo. And yeah, this is pretty much the gist of the platform. So if you just give me your feedback in the comments, if you used Adcombo before, let me know how your experience with the platform. But yeah, this is the tutorial and the walkthrough. I hope you found this helpful. I'm going to be making more and more content around different networks that work well with COD and have some good COD offers. And yeah, I'm going to keep on producing more and more content to help you guys when it comes to launching successful COD campaigns. So yeah, speak to you guys soon. Peace.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.